What is up, everybody? It's Monday, and get back on my schedule here for crypto analysis for this whole week. So let's dive into here. Oh no, wrong chart. I'm on USD/JPY. Hang on. Pretty strong consolidation for USD/JPY though. Just remember that Japan is on a holiday today, so not a whole lot going on. But I do plan on keeping the sell for USD/JPY. Looking for a break down at the opening gap of where it was at 112.2, and then from there, looking for 111.9 and possible maybe 111.5. Depends how strong the sell is. Bitcoin skyrocketed at 6,300 all the way up to 6,700 at the very top price here. And I'm on the 5-minute chart. Now on the daily, this is the new daily candle, and we're looking for this new daily candle to push higher up 7,000. Once it breaks 7,000, I'm looking for 8,000. Looking for this price structure right here at 77.50 and then the 8,000 price right here. That's it. Or we can just consolidate from 7,000 and 6,700. XRP Ripple. Ripple has found support down here. It is on the daily chart at 44 cents. It did go up to 47 cents today. We are looking for a break up above 50 cents. And then from there, see if we try and shoot for 55 cents at the end of the week. Well, other than that, we could just probably just see a strong consolidation stage for this whole week if there's nothing really going on. But I plan on buying crypto this whole week and holding it out. Bitcoin Cash by far is the fastest moving pair with the biggest gain, almost 10% gain from today. Let me pull the 1 hour here. And you can clearly see that it started here at 720 all the way up to 810. Just going back down, we clearly see the crossover. This is your 10-day and this is your 20-day. So you can clearly see that these candle structures are just bouncing up the 10-day and riding along with the 10-day moving average. So I would not suggest selling it unless something major happens with crypto. I'm talking about like unexpected events, like crypto exchange getting hacked, regulation, or fraud alerts, or something happening with the crypto exchanges. That's the only thing. Kind of going pretty fast here, so I'm trying to use the full quick analysis for you guys. Ethereum top price so far was 481. Looking for it to shoot 500 by the end of the week or hit 500 either tomorrow or Wednesday. And this is on the 1 hour chart here, so you see that they're just going up with the 10-day moving average. Based on the 4 hour, you can see that they're above, these candles are above the upper band. So do not, like I said, anytime it breaks, when crypto breaks above the Bollinger Bands, they're going to keep going outside the band as much as they can. And you can clearly see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the 9th candle outside the Bollinger Bands, especially on the 4 hour chart. Crypto is very, very, I don't know how to explain this, but it's just has a habit of just going and closing outside the band more than Forex. Because with Forex, you can once it breaks out like the 3rd or 4th time outside the band, and it ends up coming retracing back down inside the band. So, but you can see the crossover here on the 10 crossing the 20-day on the Bollinger Band. Remember, your Bollinger Bands on default settings is your 20-day. And so you don't want to be messing around with your 20-day, because if the candles are bouncing off the 20-day going back up, and it's another clear direction of where that's going up again. Litecoin hit 80, I think almost 84. Looking for it to shoot back up to 100 sometime this week. And so very strong bullish momentum for all cryptos so far. Zcash, I'm looking for Zcash to come back to hit this wick again at 200 and then close above 200 and try and shoot for 250. And everything, like I said, is on the 4-hour chart here. NEO, I'm looking for NEO to come back to $40 and then from there to test 42. And then from there, it's open doors for 50 bucks. Dash hit a high price today at 249. And basically what I'd be looking for, pull the daily chart. I'd be looking for to close above 250 and then try to shoot for either 260 or 270. Not a whole lot of movement for Dash, but it is still going up along with all the other cryptos. Notice that what I'm going to outline right here is from Bitcoin all the way down to Dash, they're all green. And green means they're gaining, you know, they're going up in percentage, not down in percentage. The one that has the highest percentage right now is Bitcoin Cash. Okay, they're counting the pips, 72.3 pips, and then 10% change just now. And so Bitcoin Cash, NEO also has an 8.46% change. So you're looking at a 2.84 gain right here. Oh, I'm not that. These must not be pips. If not, then these could be dollar changes. So like a $72 gain for Bitcoin Cash and then a $2.84 gain for NEO. So pretty important to pay attention to where Bitcoin Cash is going, because when Bitcoin Cash flies, like it skyrockets, and then it just outdoes more than the other cryptos. Bitcoin Cash and NEO does not pay a lot. You gotta remember that Ripple pays the most if you're using JAFX, and then it comes back to Bitcoin, Dash, Ethereum, and then Dash. So it's Ripple, Bitcoin, Dash, and Ethereum. Those are the 4 coins that pay the most if you are using the JAFX Forex Broker. I don't know any about the other brokers because I never tested crypto on Tradersway or SimpleFX or all the other Forex brokers that allow you to trade crypto, because most of them don't give you a high leverage. Most of them just give you like a 1-to-3 leverage or a 1-to-5 leverage, or like maybe 1-to-50 at the most from what I've seen. And so JAFX is the only one that I know that's offered a 1-to-500 leverage on Forex and on crypto, and they don't change the leverage. So that's a really good thing. What I like about it, you can over leverage the account, but you got to be careful, especially for crypto, because even at 0.01 lot size, 1 micro lot, you can devastate the account even if it's just a couple $100. And very, very important to pay attention to, especially if you are trading crypto, that you are not over leveraging, because like I said, 1 micro lot make you a lot of money because it pays more than gold or just as much as gold on a 0.01 lot size for all these cryptos. So by all means, look at the contract size and how much the payout per micro pip that they're going to pay you. And if you're using JAFX, I mean, it's the one that pays out the most anyways, from the one I've seen so far. Other than that, I'm going long. Holding the buy positions for crypto unless I see something different for either during the week, for like Wednesday and Thursday, or something major happen on Friday, and then they'll shift for the weekend. So have to pay attention through during the midweek, like Wednesdays and Thursdays, and then Friday morning if something major were to happen during New York sessions for crypto. And I think that's all I got. So, I mean, Other than that, like I said, Bitcoin Cash is the fastest moving crypto along with Neo, but they don't really pay out as much unless you do like a higher lot size. And Bitcoin, like I said, is shooting for Bitcoin for 7,000, break 7,000, and we are looking for 8,000. And then from there, we'll see if it opens the floodgates for 10K, and that's it. While we're still in the summertime, can't really expect too much for price to increase or decrease, and we might just see another range or a zone where Bitcoin can just sit from 6,000 to 8,000 and just range from 8,000 back to 6,000 and 6,000 back to 8,000. We could possibly see that. So don't expect too much. Don't expect too much market volatility for the summer until the fall kicks back in. So that's just my opinion for what I see so far. Because it's not like last year where Bitcoin was just skyrocketing up, and just keeps skyrocketing throughout the whole year, and then plummets for January 2018, which is this year. So we're already more than halfway through the year. You just got to pay attention to where prices are going, where the investors are going, where these alternative coins are going, because a lot of people are pulling more money into the alternative coins than the major coins. So you got to pay attention to where these smaller coins are going, and what banks are actually going to accept which coins. That's the most important thing too. So regulation will always be there. Some coins will take it, some coins won't. It all depends on where the crypto exchange is going to be, where they're going to accept. And other than that, like I said, that's my full analysis. I know it's quick, down, and dirty. So other than that, that's all I got for you guys. It's Monday. It's been a slow day for Forex. Like Trump and Putin didn't really do much for the markets. Tomorrow will be the kickoff war. Fed Powell is speaking tomorrow, so he's speaking Tuesday and Wednesday. So, like I said, that's the next key event I pay attention to, because New York sessions is going to be, your important session to pay attention to, because it's going to drive the markets and drive the direction for the trends for Tokyo and London. And so, a lot of mixed match going on with correlations of pairs going on, so you can't count the correlations. The inverse correlations aren't really there as well, so you got to look at specific charts and one by one, and you can't just be like, if the dollar goes down, then you can buy this and buy that. No, you can't. So pound is facing a lot of rejection going on with the UK in the Parliament with the Brexit deals. Lot of political key events that will be happening throughout this whole summer, and that would be the main driver for Forex versus economic calendar. And so I even talked about that yesterday. But other than that, like I said, 7,000 for Bitcoin, possible 8,000. If not, then we just range back and forth from 7,000 back to 6,000, or maybe 8,000 back to 6,000, and 6,000 back to 7,000 or 8,000 again. So a lot of mid-range going on, not a whole lot to find a direction of trend going on. So not a whole lot of trending yet till the summer's over. And that's it.